Rick Stone, and it's about mid-January, and I was excited to share with you my new bear bagging kit that I'll be using for all my hikes and backpacking adventures here in 2020, and ultimately on my goal of through hiking the Appalachian Trail and other main trails. I got the 19-liter bear bag from LiteAF. It's a nice newer company. The bag's made of Dyneema and it's water resistant. And I'm assuming it's pretty odor proof as well. It's pretty seal tight. I'm able to fit everything in here, including my fuel pot, my spork, things like that. It was also sent with this rucksack here. That way you can throw it over the tree limb easier. Inside it is the rope to hang your bag, of course. And they also sent the, I don't know the official name, but I call it the PCT stick. It's the Pacific Crest Trail way of hanging your bear bag. Instead of tying it to a tree, you would just tie a little clove hitch knot, and it will catch on the carabiner here and just hang there. Just make sure you obviously do it at on an appropriate branch, high enough from the ground and hanging low enough from the branch and far enough from the tree trunk so bears or other animals can't get into it. As most of you know, I do live in Illinois, but we do have other animals that like to try to get into food. And last summer, if you saw my camping trip at Evergreen Park with my friend Will, my tent did get attacked by a raccoon because I had my food in there. So I'll be hanging my food from now on anywhere I go, and I'm definitely using this LiteAF bag. It's like 0.2 or 3 ounces less than the Z-Packs bear bagging kit, but this was also $50. You'll definitely have to check it out. But I'm really excited for 2020. I have a lot of awesome hikes coming up in preparation of the Appalachian Trail. But stay tuned, I got more videos coming up quick. I have a new sleeping pad, sleeping bag, and tent coming here soon, and I'll be sharing those with you as well. But until next time, I'm Rick Stone. Happy trails.